If you want to make your brewing life easier, stick around. I've got some products from Keg King that can make your life better. Just a quick one, guys. This is not a paid promotion. I'm endorsing these products because I like them and they work and they make my brewing easier, and I thought I'd like to share it with you guys as well. They were given to me by Keg King, and it's absolutely awesome that a company is going to back a channel like mine. As some of you know, as you do pressure fermenting or fermenting of any kind, you need to take samples. So you need to take samples to test for gravity and find out how much it's gone, how much fermentation has happened. So there is easy ways and hard ways to do it. If you have a pressure system, you'd have to put a ball lock on your outpost, have a pipe made up and then a serving gun and all this other jazz to just get a sample. And it's just a bit of a pain in the butt, as you know. The best thing I've seen so far on the market is a Quickie. I do like a Quickie, but this little bloke, this one here, is basic, easy to use, and it does the job. I tried it already. Thought it was, I had to smell it because I just extracted some beer just to taste. This is my Anzac Day biscuit one. Anzac biscuit one from Kegland. This guy is just a simple device put together so you can extract your liquid from your keg, your fermenter, whatever. You can actually use this to serve as well. It's very, very easy. As you can see in this video, I'm pressing down on it and the fluid comes out. You can adjust a thumb screw a little bit, just to slow it down a little bit in case someone's a bit heavy-handed. You wouldn't do it all the way because, you know, it just won't work. The device is just a cylindrical tube. The ball lock ends up on top, so it clicks on. It has a nut or bolt that goes through the top with a little pin that pushes your ball lock pin in, or your ball lock poppet in. And then you just screw it down. It has a little rubber seal. As you can see there, it has a little rubber seal, and that seals on the end, just like that. Basically lets the beer come out, and that's beer, or, you know, just if you just pressurize your container, you can do that. The other good thing about it too is, this is how I did it, is just get a tube that fits over the end. This one's a little bit big for it, but it worked. It just fits beautifully. You could slide it on just like that, and that's your serving pipe. So you can just pop it on top of your fermenter just like this, and serve yourself a sample, or even serve yourself a cup out of the fermenter directly. It's a really good, simple design device. I'll leave a link below for you guys to access it if you're interested. Also, another thing that Keg King presented to me and showed me, something that they invented, is a Spundy. This little guy. It has a normal gauge on it, which gives you the pressure that you're fermenting at. A thumb screw at the back that you can adjust, so you can change the pressure that you want to run at. And it connects to your gas post on your fermenter, which is awesome. So it's so tiny. I have used it a couple of times now, and it's just really easy. It's ridiculous how easy this is to use. Gone are the days using these bow tie connectors. Let me see if I can show you one. Now, we'll still use the bow tie. I still will use the bow tie as it goes, because I need to use it at the moment because I haven't got one. I haven't got enough of these to do all my fermenters yet. I have a couple on order. So yeah, so this is Keg King again. This is thank you to Keg King for supplying this to me, and let me have a go and play with it. And I'm glad I'm able to show you little devices like this for pressure fermenting that are going to make our jobs and our life easier. Right, I'll leave a link for that one down there too, guys. Also, I have been given a Ultra Tap twist. Now, this Ultra Tap twist is such a genius idea. It's basically, it's designed to have, I'll show you in this video, you can basically control the flow of your output from your kegs in your kegerator. It just works. From now on, you can have high gas, protein filled beer that can be extracted very slowly so you get the least amount of foam. It's really, really well designed. Very simple. You don't have a control device on the side anymore to run it and try and control the flow. It's all built into the handle. It's absolutely brilliant. Just a simple idea. This is supplied by Keg King. It's an Ultra Tap. And I'll leave a link below too. Another good product for you guys to have a look at. So there are 3 items that Keg King have just thrown at me and said, here, have a try. They haven't asked me to do a video on it, but I really thought I would do it anyway. Of course, you know, we're going to. And these are devices that are going to make our brewing life much easier. And if you are interested, I'll leave all links below. And hopefully you get to try these products yourself. And now I don't get any kickback. I don't get paid for this, and it's not a promotional thing. It's products that I like. So cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I hope you enjoyed it. Anzac biscuit from Kegland. Still needs a couple of weeks. Oh, I taste the coconut.